Here I have LG Key 8 2018, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset by using the LG settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the settings, then choose General, scroll down and select here Backup and Reset. Scroll down again, choose Factory Data Reset, and this operation will delete all data from internal storage. If you are aware of this, let's choose Reset Phone and complete the whole operation by tapping Delete All. Your phone will restart twice. This may take longer than usual. Do not remove the battery during the factory reset, so it's important information. You have to be aware of this. Let's tap Reset, and now let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means the hard reset is done. Now you might start to easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.